In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete an Odoo website step by step using the Odoo demo environment. This tutorial is perfect if you've created multiple websites in Odoo, especially while testing or learning, and now you want to clean things up by removing an unwanted website safely. I'll walk you through everything slowly, so even beginners can follow along. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Odoo tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and search for Odoo Demo. Click on the official Odoo Demo link so you can access a temporary demo database. This lets you try features without affecting a real production website. Once the demo loads, you'll be inside the Odoo dashboard. Next, you need to activate developer mode. This step is very important because the option to delete a website is only visible when developer mode is enabled. To do this, go to Settings from the main dashboard. Inside the Settings page, scroll if needed, and look for the option to activate developer mode. Click it, and once enabled, you'll notice additional menus and options appear throughout Odoo. Now that developer mode is active, stay in the Settings area for a moment just to confirm everything has loaded correctly. After that, go back to the main dashboard. From here, click on the eCommerce app. This is where Odoo manages all website-related features, including multiple websites linked to your database. Inside the eCommerce section, click on Websites. This will open a list view showing all the websites currently created in this Odoo instance. If you've been experimenting, you may see more than one website listed here. Next, locate the website you want to delete. Click on it so it becomes highlighted in the list. Make sure you're selecting the correct website because deleting a website is a permanent action and cannot be undone. With the website highlighted, move your attention to the top menu and click on Actions. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. From that drop-down, click on Delete. Odoo will now show you a confirmation pop-up asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected website. Click Delete again to confirm. Once you do this, Odoo will immediately remove the website from the system. The page will refresh, and you'll see that the website no longer appears in the list. That's it. The Odoo website has been successfully deleted. Before you leave, always double-check that the correct website was removed and that any remaining websites are still functioning properly. This is especially important if you're working in a live environment instead of a demo database. And that's how you delete an Odoo website step by step using developer mode. If this tutorial saved you time or helped you understand Odoo better, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo how-to videos and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.